Well, here's a cat that I like to call Egon. Just kidding, that's always Zach's cat name. I'm sorry, Zach, if you're watching this video. I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna call this the... Oh, never mind, I'm not gonna call it Speedy Cat, because Speedy Cat is one of the YouTubers' name that I forgot. This is Milky. I don't know what... Whoa, you on video! You're on video. She's on video. He's on video. Speedy Cat. Hey, Milky. I'm not to call Cat Speedy Cat because that gave me the name is pretty cool, I think. I'm sorry if I'm taking it. What you want to say to the world? Who's that? No. Milky. Oh. I gotta tell you this. It's simple. I'm sorry if I don't speak clearly in my videos. I'm very sorry. But look. Why she does that? So ball my, so butt my face. What's this? I knew you should have done that. Just eat my legs. That's nasty. Thanks to me. You see, I'm sorry. Milk. So yeah, guys, this is a cat video. The cats I have. These are my cats. Kitties.